In the spring and summer of 1780, the Revolutionary War moved full force into York County. On the evening of July 10th, Captain Christian Huck of the British Legion was sent to destroy Patriot militia camps in the area, with about 120 of his men, but many Patriots eluded capture. Huck's forces headed for Colonel William Bratton's plantation. On the way, the British confiscated food, horses, and other valuables from local families. Colonel Bratton was away with the militia at Thomas Sumter's camp along the Catawba River. According to family tradition, Martha Bratton sent Watt, an enslaved person, to warn Colonel Bratton of the threat. The British troops arrived at the Bratton plantation on the evening of July 11th. They demanded to know where her husband was, and when she refused to answer, they threatened her with a reaping hook. Huck then angrily commanded that Martha to prepare supper for him and his officers before setting camp at the neighboring Williamson plantation. The Patriots surprised and attacked the British camp. When the first shots of the battle rang out, Huck dashed outside and hastily mounted his horse, leaving his green dragoon jacket in the house. Several Patriot militiamen took aim and fired, and Huck fell from the saddle. The battle was over in about 15 minutes. The British casualties numbered approximately 30 killed and 50 wounded, and a large number were then taken prisoner. Martha Bratton ministered to the wounded British. The destruction of Huck's British forces helped revive the morale of the people in South Carolina at a time when British victory seemed inevitable, and served as a rallying point for the backcountry Patriots. Huck's defeat was one of a series of significant events that eventually led to the Patriot victories at Kings Mountain, Cowpens, and finally the British surrender at Yorktown.